I'm Carsten. I'm working at Bosch since 8 years. Bosch has 4 business sectors, and I'm based in the mobility sector. I'm a specialist for material flow simulation, and the last 3 years I'm supporting a central working group in standardizations for plant simulation. I use plant simulation as a trainer, so I train colleagues within our company, and on the other side I'm also a tool developer, so I'm developing a library which standardizes plant simulation. The biggest challenges we had is that we have different colleagues with different expertises of knowledge. We always need to train new colleagues, and we have to move models from one colleague to another. We think that we can save a lot of time by standardization to build up manufacturing lines in a simulation model. Plant simulation is the right choice because the interface possibilities helps us to interact with already existing planning tools, and that's why we appreciate working with plant simulation. We introduced a so-called automatic line builder, where we are able to build up automatic production lines pretty easy. That was inspired by a former computer game I played in my early days. We took a lot of time for standardization of manufacturing and logistics in that tool. And the next thing is that we are looking forward to have standardized optimizers to optimize our simulation models. And we try to get feedback from our colleagues really often. The last survey is just 3 weeks ago, and we got the feedback that we save 50% of modeling effort by using our library. I'm really proud of the last new releases of our library in terms of logistics, because it shows that we are not only able to simulate manufacturing lines, we are also able to connect both logistics and manufacturing in a whole standardized factory simulation.